So I've been dying to review this primer for you guys, and it's by Milk Makeup, and I got the mini version and I can't wait to invest in the big one because I think it's totally worth it if you have sensitive acne prone skin like me. And so this is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. Got like 2 samples of this. This is oil free, is non-comedogenic. I'll put everything here, the information, so you can read as well. The ingredients are just so good. Like if you have sensitive skin, of course this worked for me. Just remember it might not work for you. I'm just giving you my thoughts after using it for a couple of, I'd say like 2 months now, and I'm obsessed. Before I was like stuck on one primer, which was the Hourglass one, the Mineral Veil primer, but after using this, oh my god, like I will put a demo of me trying it on, but this is what it looks like. Okay, it's just a stick and it's so easy to use. It does not clog my pores. You instantly look matte and there's no like residue whatsoever. So you see, like if I put it here, you can't see anything, you can't feel it. It's just the most amazing thing ever. It's not like scented whatsoever if you're sensitive, and really like you apply it and you instantly turn matte. That is what I love so much. So even like if you don't want to put makeup and you just like finished all your skincare and you want to like look matte, because I'm oily, like looking matte is like everything for me. Your pores do look nicer. It does like blur your pores, at least for me. I have like really big pores, so it's not like 100% like you can't see my pores anymore, but it does look nicer, and I do feel like my makeup goes on really nicely. And again, it doesn't clog pores. It's oil free, silicone free, because a lot of them are oil free but then they have silicone. I mean, that's okay, but I just prefer something like that, silicone free and also oil free. But I have reviewed several primers if you want to see all the different ones that I love. This is just like on my top of the list, and the big one is 1 ounce. It is $36, but I think it will last you a good amount of time. I do put it all over my face, not only just like on my T-zone because I'm oily everywhere, and I just think this is amazing, and I'm glad that I got to try a little version of it at Sephora. I think it was like I redeemed it for some, I redeemed some points and I was able to get this. But again, even this small one, like it lasts me a pretty long time. It just really doesn't break me out whatsoever. That's what I love the most, and it makes me look matte, which is amazing. So thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell, and that way you will get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.